graphic on the screen. Oh, there it is. From PS Home, the 4-tier convertible shoe rack. This is fantastic on a clearance sale price of $34.99 or 5 easy payments of $7. With today's clearance sale price and the free shipping and handling, you're saving over $27. That price will go up at the end of the day, and that free shipping and handling will also go away at the end of the day. So do yourself a favor, get yourself this shoe rack so you can get nice and organized as we move into spring, because then you can check off another box off of that spring cleaning list. We've got 2 different color options to choose from. We have the black, and then we also have the gray, and they look a little different. What you're looking at here are the shelves in this nice sort of flat sort of manner. But also, you can display your shoes here an angled way, because each little shelf has this little lip that you can go ahead and open up and be able to see nice and easy with this one. Ashley Smith is joining us from our PS Home team. Stands for problem solving, and this is absolutely a huge problem to be solved for so many of us. Right, Ashley?
Thank you, Steve. Yes, we designed this to really organize and declutter your shoes, as you saw in the B-roll there. Steve, can I take it down and then build it back up for you?
Please do so. I'd love to see that.
I do want to mention, everybody at home, there's a great video on QVC.com if you go onto the product page, so that can help you too. So it literally just collapsed down in seconds. This is how it's going to arrive to you. Also, Steve, if you wanted to not have it in use, it's small enough that it's going to fold down that you can slide it under, a bed or stow it in a corner. So it really folds down nice and flat. All I'm going to do is really put down the top shelf. And the biggest key I can tell you guys is that you just want to make sure that each one of the shelves, the rack, this one's being funny with me, adjusted it a second ago before I did this. Each one of the shelves is going to want to sit flush into the bars here. I don't know why this one's being silly. I'm so sorry. Anyway, Steve, go back to, oh, here we go. Okay. So then I'm just going to put each one of the shelves, sorry, got stuck there. It's going to click onto the rack, and then you have a shoe rack that is going to hold up to 55 pounds of shoes, maybe not just shoes, for toys, books, pantry items in the bathroom, you name it.
Love that. Oh, I love this in the garage next to, the door before you come in. Especially, a lot of us are turning into no shoes in the household, which just makes a lot of sense. I mean, we're bringing in a lot of stuff. I've been a no shoe household for the majority of my life, especially while I was living in New York City. Yikes. Definitely don't want to bring in the streets of New York into the home. But this is fantastic because you can collapse this down with ease, put this right underneath the bed, right underneath the couch, perhaps maybe it goes right into a closet. But it's so fantastic because what you're seeing here, I actually love this kind of angled shoe look, but I like to go ahead and reverse my shoes so that I get even more bang for my buck here and be able to store as many shoes as possible. So is there a weight capacity, or should I say like a pairs of shoes capacity?
Perfect. Yeah. So I'm a size 7. So I'm able to put about 12 pairs of shoes on here. My husband is a size 13. You're getting about 8. So I can do about 3 across. He's at 2. But 55 pounds of shoes on that top shelf here. You could have like your higher platform shoes. In between each shelf is 7 inches. Jane Tracy taught me this trick, similarly to what you were doing there, where she says what you're really supposed to do is put your shoes like this to save space, so that you could probably even put more pairs of shoes up here. The height on this here is 25 for the horizontal. The one that you have there in the studio with you that is that angled, it's going to be a little taller at 37, but it's going to be more narrow. So maybe if you have a narrow space in that closet of yours, the angled might be better, as you see there on the side. But either way, you can hold up to 55 pounds of shoes, or like for the typical size 7 shoes, 12 pairs of shoes.
Love this one. This just is so convenient and so easy. A lot of us just have our shoes on the ground in our closet, but this is how we now go vertical with our organization, and this is so great. And I love the fact that we can go ahead and collapse this, whether that be very high or very low. As you can see here, this is a little bit more stout, if you will, and we've got sort of our smaller shoes happening on the bottom and then our higher shoes on the top. So this is really good stuff that we're seeing here for this clearance sale price of $34.99, 5 easy payments of $7. With today's savings and the free shipping and handling, it is a savings of over $27. That clearance sale price will go up at midnight, and that free shipping and handling will also go away. The two different color options to choose from are the black and the gray. What I think is a little bit more elevated here is the gray, because you're getting both the gray and the cream, especially if you wanted to go ahead and display these shoes in this really nice way. Oh, Ashley, you have the gray there with you.
I have the gray here in my home. Yep. And I do want to mention, so each one, they're oversized shelves. They're going to be 20 inches by 10. So it really does have, like, it fits my entire, boots here on these shelves because they are oversized, up to 55 pounds. Really just makes, like you said, even in your garage, you want to have that there. It allows people to know, hey, please take off your shoes without you having to say so. And then it's just going to have everything neat and organized. As the kids are running off to school in the morning, they know exactly where their shoes are.
Oh, for sure. So good and so easy. And that's exactly what we want. We want to be able to see all of our shoes. Yep. Sometimes this is how we start picking our outfit. We choose our shoes first, and we want to go ahead and see them beautifully displayed. And you have the option to have them angled or at the flat shelves here. $34.99 or 5 easy payments of $7 from PS Home, the 4-tier convertible shoe rack. Absolutely love this one. Do yourself a favor and save over $27 today, because tomorrow this price will not be this low. It's so good to see you, Ashley. Thank you so much for bringing this one to us.
Steve.
We'll see you soon.